With Captain Marvel doing so well at the box office and Avengers Endgame coming up, I thought I'd share this Captain Marvel inspired look. So if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. As always, I've already done my foundation and eyebrows to save time, so I'm moving on to curl my eyelashes and apply a white base for my eyeshadow. Then I'm starting by applying Slowbunge, which is the tangerine red from the Decay Electrte palette, to my crease on a small fluffy brush, using small circular motions to blend out the shadow. Then I'm deepening my crease with a rusty red eyeshadow called Mulled Wine from the Sleek Sparkle 2 palette on a fluffy brush, using a windshield wiper motion to blend it out. With some concealer on a small detailed brush, I'm using that to cut my entire lid. With some shimmering light gold eyeshadow on a flat brush, I'm using that to apply all over the lid space that I carved out. Then I'm going back to that rusty red eyeshadow to redefine the crease. Then I'm taking a matte navy eyeshadow on a small brush and smudging that under my lower lash line. The colour I'm using is called Prince Charming and it's from the Sleek Enchanted Forest palette. Then I'm lining my waterline with a sky blue pencil eyeliner. Then I'm using a felt-tip liner and drawing a slightly dramatic wing. With a black mascara, I'm applying that to my top and bottom lashes. With the colour Daydream from the Obsession Isn't It Peachy blush palette, I'm applying that all over my cheeks and slightly to the tip of my nose. Then I'm generously applying this Obsession highlighter in the shade Mega Lightning, which is actually my new favourite thing to highlight my face with because it's so pigmented. Finally, I'm finishing off this look with a matte nude pink lipstick. The colour I'm using is a Rouge Velvet lipstick called Flaming Rose.